What kind of... You see that quick moves for the big guy? You'd be surprised how quick the big guy is. Thank you. My wife kicked my seat. What are you doing? You know, leaving shits here for you?
Yeah, of course not. You never have a shit bag.
So Ken's got shit bags now.
No. Sorry.
I know it's fine. There's some back there already. It's good because it's right where my dog is.
That's probably...
Poop along this fence line. Cool.
At least you know where to go for it, you know?
Yeah, that's right.
Kids don't end up playing it. There we go. There's some brother and sister playtime.
She's a mean motor. You're right, she's the alpha.
She's the alpha. And she's a runt, too.
Oh, man.
And she's just calm as pie, so we got some chill dogs, is what I'm thinking. Well, she's so nice in the house, Patty. It's amazing.
Well, that may change.
We just got to figure out a way to afford them.
I don't think so, because she's going to keep him in line. She's not going to let him mess up her house.
Hear that first gate? Can you go out?
Go. They look like greyhounds.
Yeah, boy.
Let Floyd out. He'll be all right.
Go get a ball. Go on. Go get a ball.
So she's supposed to be 27 pounds.
There's Floyd.
Hi, Floyd.
Hi, Floyd.
Floyd.
There's my girl.
Friend. There's my new girlfriend.
He met her yesterday.
Looking lovingly over at your yard all day today. I'm just saying.
What's this boy doing in my yard, Dad? That's all right, I don't care. Oh, look at this.
What's up, Floyd?
You boys, get him.
I can't spin quick enough for him.
Look on the leaf.
I'm afraid it might be 2 against 1, but...
It's the two betas against the alpha. That's what it's going to be.
Hey, no, what kind of hound is Floyd?
He's a coonhound.
Coon, okay.
I think they're foxhounds. Foxhound pointers,
I think
probably.
they're foxhound mixes, yeah.
Yeah, he's a bloodhound foxhound mix to mix with a
That's it.
coonhound.
No. Release. Release.
Did she get his neck?
Yep. Well, she's getting his collar.
Well, that's what they do. They're hound dogs.
That's why we keep the yard. And
Come on, Wally.
Bruno,
Come on, Wally. Let's play, Wally.
jump and play
I'm going
Bruno.
to stay on your ass till you fall asleep.
Bruno's gone.
Hey. So he turned release.
Oh, yeah. Easily.
Brody.
Yeah. The one time he was going
Brody.
Who?
Well, somebody's calling him Brad already, so...
No, I think
No, we need the Irish name.
for what, Brody?
Maybe Brody. We'll see.
Maybe Brody, okay. Close to Brad.
That's what I was thinking.
Yep.
The people he's with were just calling him Brad and Angelina.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, he told me.
You saw that?
Yeah. But no. Brad. There'd be some good sleeping in there. I just let